Can you imagine using just one template to scrape thousands of job listings from Indeed in seconds?
That's Octoparse Indeed Job Scraper.
All you need to do is enter just 3 keywords.
Your search term, country, and location.
Here is the details breakdown. First of all, open Octoparse desktop and search Indeed in the search bar, then click on the Indeed Job Scraper to scrape job data. This template starts by taking the 3 keywords search term, country, and location to generate the Indeed search URL. From there, it goes through every listing on the page and collects the job information. Suppose you want to gather job listings for accountants and software engineers in New York City. In our template, you can simply set the country filter, enter your search term, and choose the location step by step. For example, country, United States, search term, accountant and software engineer, location, New York City. Once everything is all set, click Start to run the template in cloud mode. In seconds, you'll see Octoparse Cloud run it automatically and handle all the processing, turning unstructured job pages into structured tables. And when it is finished, you can export the data in various formats like Excel, CSV, JSON, and more. Here's what your final dataset will look like: clean, structured, and ready to use. Try Octoparse's Indeed Job Scraper today.
Octoparse, an easy web scraper for anyone.